Hey everyone, Mike here. I wanted to reach out and thank you all so far for what you have donated and supported my campaign. As a result of the $830 that has been donated thus far, I have been able to finish paying off the original drone, my credit card bills. So the drone that was stolen has now been paid off. So I'm back to zeros. I'm in the black now. The next step is to replace everything. So thank you. The next things I'm going to be doing is the drone, the hard drives, the SD cards, the backpack itself, extra battery, those things. In order to get there, there's still a little ways to go. So far we're at 830 of a $1,200 goal. I did have to up the goal just a little bit because I was a bit conservative on my initial estimate. If I don't make it to 1,200, that's just what happens. But if you can help me get there by sharing the campaign again to your social media, with your friends, whomever, see if maybe they'll be willing to donate as well. I'd be so grateful for that help. We're getting close. It's so close. Every day I look, I'm like, oh, it's so close, and whenever I get a donation, it just makes me, I feel humbled and gratefulness towards anyone who does that. So thank you so much, and I hope that you're willing to just do me one more little favor and share the campaign again with your friends and family. I'll be keeping you updated on everything moving forward as purchases are made. I'm going to be out of town this weekend in New York. Maybe I'll have an update while I'm there. We'll see. So thanks again, guys. Don't forget to share, and have a great rest of your day, and have a fantastic weekend.